What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, How to Write a Blog Post on Wix. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to write a blog post on Wix. Now let's start. Visit wix.com. Now log into your account. You can just log in using your account, or you can also create one for free using your Gmail account. Now go to the left section of the website dashboard. Select blog, then post. From there, select create a new post, paste or create your blog content, upload some images, and then now select publish, and now you're good to go. That's how easy you can write a blog post on Wix successfully. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.